Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Alright, y'all. I am back with another video. Just getting home from work again. I've been doing this all week. So since I won't be posting videos this weekend, I decided I'll just do one every day this week. First thing I'm going to do, take a minute to welcome all my new subscribers to the YouTube channel. In the last 2 or 3 months, I've gotten a lot of them. So if y'all are new to the channel, welcome. Make yourself at home. We one big happy family here. No drama, no friction here. We all love each other. You can see in the comments. You don't see a lot of bickering back and forth. Number one, I don't tolerate it. Number two, they don't tolerate it. So we're all one big unit, and why I call y'all my old school soul food family. Not followers, not subscribers, not listeners. Y'all all one big family. So I want to welcome y'all. So anyway, let's get started. Today I'm doing one of my favorite things to eat. This is not southern, this is not old school, it's something I love. It's fish and chips. All fish and chips here is fish and french fries, but it's like a tempura light batter. I guess that's how they eat it in England or whatever over there, but I love it. You're supposed to be eating with malt vinegar or tartar sauce, so I'm gonna eat mine with tartar sauce, but I'm gonna show you how I do mine. So I got some potatoes here I'm gonna put in my air fryer. The potatoes ain't a big deal. I get these from a steak company. They come already seasoned and stuff. I love these things. So I'm going to put them over here. Give me a second. I'm going to get my air fryer going. And I'm going to go and get these going in the air fryer. Because this fish ain't going to take that long to cook. So I'm going to put these in my air fryer already. And let them be cooking. And I hope everybody having a good day today. I had an awesome day at work. I'm always blessed when I go to work. That means I have a job. So, how that goes. So, okay, I got that going. My oil is heating up here. Now, I'm going to make my tempura batter, which is very, very simple, y'all. All the tempura batter is, I'm going to take some flour here. A little flour. Go with all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and I'll put this recipe at the description of the video so y'all will know if you never made tempura batter before. All it is flour and cornstarch, the baking powder, not baking soda, baking powder here. A teaspoon of that in there. You need some kind of acidity. I'm not meaning acidity. Some kind of with a sparkle. You can use, I've used Sprite before. And I'm using tonic water. You can use sparkling water. You need something to kind of activate that cornstarch and the baking powder. So I always use tonic water in mine. See, I use this here, tonic water. You can use sparkling water. This is what I use. I always keep this on hand. I'm gonna pour a little of this in here. I ain't gonna pour a lot. You don't want it too thin because you want it to stick to your fish when you bread it. A bit more. A bit more. Definitely want to make this smooth, y'all. As smooth as I can. So really make it smooth, y'all. A little bit more. Want a smooth batter. And that's it. That's all you want. That's your tempura batter right there. Very simple. See how quick that was? Just like I did it before, y'all, huh? It's so like I did it before. Okay, now I'm gonna get me some flour. Put it in a bag here. Because I need something to make this stick to the fish. Hold on just a second, y'all. I know I keep my grocery bags to bread my fish. So first thing I'm gonna do, to the side. The oil is heating up, turning up just a little there. Put some flour in this bag. I'm definitely gonna shake it up. I don't need a lot of it, flour. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna season my fish here. Salt and pepper. You want to season it before you bread it, y'all. All I want is salt and pepper on here. Nothing fancy. Y'all know me. I don't use a lot of seasonings and all that. And this is cod here, y'all. This is the fish I got from my Imperfect Food haul. See if y'all can see what I'm doing here. Oh yeah. I got from my Imperfect Food haul, so I need to use this cod up. I had it in my freezer. So usually it's some kind of white fish. They use cod, a haddock, a pollock, maybe sometimes flounder. It's usually some kind of white fish that they use for their fish and chips, y'all. So you see how easy that come together? I got my fries over in my air fryer. I got it set for 15 minutes. It's coming along good. We got our Tempura batter made. Let me check my see my oil hot here. Like it's hot there. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is put this fish in the bag here. I'm gonna get some flour on here. Put some flour on here so when I put this, it has something to stick to. If I don't put flour on this fish, the batter is tending not to stick as good. So let me move this over just a little so y'all can see what I'm about to do here. I got it all floured up. All I do, I throw it in here. Make sure I bread it really good. I'll put in more oil here, y'all. That's it. Make sure you get it all breaded really good. Gonna be kind of messy, but gonna be good, y'all. Do a couple of more. It's really good and coated. One more piece in there, y'all. Make sure you don't overcrowd your oil. That's it. Okay. Get my fish spatula here. Make sure you move it around here. Try not to get them to touch. So you touch, see what happens. And this white fish, it don't take long at all, y'all. I guess that's why they use the haddock and cod, because it don't take as long to cook. See how that puff up? Sometimes I forget which one I put first. See? So easy, y'all. I guess y'all never thought tempura was so easy to cook, huh? Very simple. Very simple fish to make. Fish and chips, y'all. This meal will take 10 minutes, really. Turn this one over. Kind of move them around. My hot spot is near the back. Every spot on the stove got a hot spot. And mine's near the back there. Alright, let them go there, y'all. Ain't long at all. Good old fish and chips. Good old tempura fried shrimp. That's fried up. And speaking of shrimp, you can do this with shrimp. You can do this with oysters. You can do this with anything, y'all. This batter here. Very simple. Very, very simple. like I say, y'all, this fish don't take it long at all. The white fish, if you ever cooked white fish before, haddock and cod, it don't take long at all to cook. It's another easy meal, y'all. You can eat right away when you get home. Y'all see how easy it was to put the batter together, like I say. The fries, maybe, the only thing probably take longer is the fries. Because if you're going to do them homemade from scratch, of course mine was already made, so. Just trying to make sure it browned evenly. That's what I want. It browned evenly, y'all. Then I'm gonna put the other in there. Just gonna give y'all an idea that it don't take long to cook these. So you don't even have to go to Long John Silver's anymore, y'all. Y'all can make your own. What is that? Red Lobster. And once I put them in here, I turned the oil down too, y'all. Okay, I'm going to take these out, and I'm going to finish the rest of mine. By the time I come back, my potatoes will be ready, and I'm going to show you how awesome and good this is, y'all. So I'm going to be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. My supper is ready. Let me give y'all a little close-up here. Like this. See that? See that nice, beautiful fish there? I got my tartar sauce, my fries. Can't get no better than this, y'all. No better than this. And it took no time at all to make. And people out there, so one lady asked, I think it was a lady, I ate too much fried food. Really, I don't eat a lot of fried food as much as you think. It just happened to be this week. And another thing, when I cook at home, it's way more healthy. I've been in the restaurant industry for almost 40 years. Let me give y'all a little inside tip. It's more healthy to eat at home than in the restaurant. It's a lot of things, preservatives and additives and chemicals and things that go into food that make the chef life prolong, that they put in food to make it last longer and make it look a little bit differently. So that's just a little inside tip. It's more healthy to eat fried food at home than to go eat it a fine meal at a restaurant sometime. Just give you a little heads up tip. So anyway, let me try this out. Let me give me a fork here. We're gonna try one of these, but I'm not gonna eat this whole thing right now. But I still need to go upstairs and take a shower here, but I'm gonna cut this up. It's been setting up a while, y'all. I'm gonna show you how flaky that is. Now another thing that you can do, y'all, if you want a lighter batter, because I like a heavy batter on my fish, you want a lighter batter, you can add more liquid to it. But I like mine thick batter. Oh, wow. It's awesome. Okay, y'all. Don't get no better than this. Nice crispy batter. The fish is perfectly cooked. You can see the flakiness of the fish. See how flaky that is, y'all? One more little bite here. We're gonna try the potato. Wow. I love it. I love these potatoes. Or you can just put them in the air fryer. I get these from a steak company. They come frozen already, seasoned. You just throw them in the air fryer. 15 minutes. Very good. Very good steak fries. But anyway, another video in the books, y'all. It'll probably be the last video this week. You probably get this one on Friday. So Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, Saturday and Sunday I won't have a video. Monday I'm gonna try to upload one. Like I say, me and my mom supposed to go out of town to her, where she grew up in the church and all that. I'm gonna try to do some videotaping of that. I got a peach cobbler I'm supposed to make to take down to the, we call the country. They asked me to make a peach cobbler. I might make 2 desserts. I might make a banana pudding too, depending on how much time I have this weekend. So yeah, but anyway, like I say, my new subscribers, welcome to the family. Just sit around and enjoy. What you get here is just no nonsense me cooking. There's not a lot of annex and lights and all this music going on. It's just me and you in the kitchen cooking. That's why I like it. That's why I want to keep it. And whether you feel like you're here with me and like you know me. And where I am here on camera is the same way I'm off camera. There's nothing fake here. So anyway, let me close this video out like I close every video. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, Twitter, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, remember the hashtag this year, help somebody, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a happy, blessed weekend, and I will see y'all soon. Love y'all. Bye.